So, hello Akshat, my name is Anmol. Welcome to the interview.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the time, sir.
You said you're working with SQL, you're learning that, so I hope you would be comfortable with that. So we'll discuss a few questions related to SQL.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Akshat, let's say you're working as a data analyst for school. Now let's say you have a table which is student marks. So in this you have their student ID, and then let's say you have their marks across these different subjects, and then you know also know their name. Now let's say you have to tell school, you have to use this information and share with the school a table which has name of the student and then rank of the student as well. So if you have to do this in SQL, then how will you do it?
Total marks. Yeah. Sir, as a we were calculator, we were joining a table, right? And we select for output name, sum of total marks from total rank, right?
Mhm.
And then I will rank them with a window function. So we don't need here a partition by because
Mhm.
but we don't need to group by or something on the
Mhm.
any particular level because we are on group we need to group by on S name, and we can use order by to sum of on the basis we are giving rank is
Mhm. So what do you think if, let's say, there are two students whose name is Akshat in this class? What will happen to the query?
so if the person who has a high the we will say Akshat 1 and Akshat 2, right, then he will
No,
rank
both are
up.
Akshat Goyal. I'm saying both are Akshat Goyal. Okay, look at your query. Let's
Hmm.
let's say there are two Akshat Goyal in the class. Look at your query, think step by step. Will it
Yes,
work
sir.
well if there are two Akshat Goyal? Overall, your query looks good. There is this one thing that I want to think about. No, don't create a table, Akshat. I'm just saying visualize the data.
Okay.
Visualize the data that you have a data set. I think I shared in the chat, right? In that data set, just think about that ID1 and ID2 both are Akshat Goyal. Their name is Akshat Goyal. Instead of AB, I've shared A and B, right, with you. Instead of AB, let's say those names are Akshat Goyal, both.
But yeah, sorry, I got to problem like because we are grouping by with the name because then it will collapse. It should collapse both of names in the that.
Correct. I think now you got what I was trying to say. Good. Previously, the issue was if, let's say, there are two students with same name. So you
Hmm.
will sum their marks. Both the Akshat Goyal marks will be summed and it will show
Hmm.
a wrong thing. Rather than name, you should always use primary key.